When you receive both of your boxes, start by removing the banding and tape using a pair of scissors or a sharp knife. Remove all of the polystyrene and you should find your base, stabiliser and tools pack inside. Take care when lifting the item as it is quite heavy. When assembling, start by lifting the backrest to a 90-degree angle. Now you should see the holes for the bolts underneath. Carefully lift the base and slide the stabiliser underneath. Make sure to align the holes and not to trap your fingers. Use the 2 bolts from your tools pack to secure the parts together. To adjust the backrest and seat, simply lift up until the bar below slots into one of the teeth. To lower them back down, grab the red knobs from either side, lift up slightly and then slide all the way back down without catching the teeth.